Potato Dishes Episode 1. Today we're making one of the laziest yet tastiest potato dishes of all time. Crispy, smashed potatoes. Classically with sour cream and, when no one's looking, bacon chutney. We start by boiling potatoes in salted water, which should take around 30 minutes, give or take depending on the size of your spuds. While that's doing its thing, we make our bacon chutney. Finely and indiscriminately chop 100 grams or a tennis ball sized onion. Follow by doing the same with 200 grams or 1 cup of smoked streaky bacon. Get those two into a frying pan or a saucepan and cook it down with a touch of oil for initial lubrication. As the bacon and onion cooks, it will release fat and juice. One of the rare occasions you don't salt anything, as the bacon has enough salt of its own. Once it's all cooked down and the onions are soft, you add 90 grams or half a cup of brown sugar, 220 grams or half a cup of black coffee, and 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Let it cook down until slightly thickened but not syrupy. Place to the side and check on the spuds, which would yield obediently when a skewer or small knife gets inserted. This won't work with semi-raw potatoes, so make sure they're cooked through. Remove them from the water, then gently smash them with the back of a spatula or whatever takes your fancy. Salt them, then fry them in a preheated pan with a generous helping of olive oil. You can do this in the oven, but it takes much longer to get the crispiness we're looking for. Flip them carefully to caramelize and crisp up evenly until they look golden brown and somewhat arousing. Serve them with a generous dollop of sour cream, plenty of bacon jam, if no one's looking, and a healthy sprinkling of chopped parsley and grated black pepper. Now all that's left to do is go have a nice life.
Pretty good for less than a fiver.